It's November the 17th and I'm about to try to go to bed, even though I'm so excited because I get to marry Brandon tomorrow. Brandon, I'm sitting here in our home and I'm so proud of the life we've built together, and I'm so proud to be marrying you, and I can't wait to see you tomorrow and make this whole thing official. I'll see you at 4:30 p.m. I love you. Good night.
Marriage license.
Where are we?
Time, baby. And your future husband, Brandon, just wanted to say I'm so excited to marry you tomorrow. You are my everything. It's been such an amazing ride with you, 8 long years. We have a house now with 2 wonderful puppies that we just love every day and give kisses to. And ready for the big day tomorrow. Can't wait to marry you. It'll be a culmination of 8 long years, and just yeah, just so excited to be with you, have fun with all of our friends and family, and just it'll be amazing once it's all over. And then also we got Vegas and 4 Seasons and just also a new couch, so very excited. So love you, can't wait to see you, and ready for the big day tomorrow. Love you, bye.
I now pronounce that Brandon is next, our husband and wife.
Now I'm supposed to say what a great guy my brother is. What do you say about a guy you shared a womb with? I'm supposed to say where we met, how we became best friends, but do you really want to hear all that? People always ask me what it's like to be a twin. I kind of get miffed at such a silly question. I mean, after all, I have no frame of reference. I say, imagine being born. And then you get to meet your best friend for life on day 1. That is what it's like for me. That's what it's like being a twin. We can all see for ourselves how stunning that looks tonight, which proves for one thing I've always known about Brandon, that he's a man of vision, often blurred, sometimes double, but nonetheless a man of vision who's been lucky enough to found such a beautiful woman.
You know what I'm doing?